Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market today in crypto, Bitcoin. Before we jump into this video, technical analysis, some ideas that are very critical to how you trade the market going forward. I want to remind you, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 6 days. All you have to do for a chance to win, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. I'm going to give away $500 in Bitcoin to a random comment over a 7-day period. Boom. Free money. Let's go. This is a Bitcoin 30-minute chart. So I posted this previously in trading group. And hey, rising wedge. We know what these do. 68% chance. Breaks to the downside. Measured move down here. 34,000. Boom. Broke to the downside. Nailed the measured move. Again, on ideas like this, if you're able to, tether up, if you don't have 40 coins, which I don't recommend, 3, 5, that's about all I can manage. You can move into tether, and I mean, you could buy back cheaper, and I mean, you could have 10, 15, or 20% more coins in your bag if you're a long-term holder. The way you trade Bitcoin when it's trending lower is different than when it's trending higher, and so you just have to make sure and understand those ideas. Now, current Bitcoin 1-hour chart. So Bitcoin's been in this falling wedge. It's been in a downtrend. Right now, you have this double bottom possible, right? I mean, it would have to break this level to play out, right? And if this does happen, I mean, you're looking for, if you get a breakout of this yellow diagonal trend line, you're looking for a move to this range high. Range high gets broken. There's a ton of resistance right here. Range high gets broken, potentially 47,000 in the cards. Okay. This entire idea is based on the range low holds, right? So you're looking like 35,000. 35,000 doesn't hold. You're looking for 33,000, 32,000, $30,000 Bitcoin. So pay attention to what's going on. Remember now, with Bitcoin at 38,000, remember, $3,800 move right now is 10%. And then what does that do to the altcoins? Massive swings either direction. So make sure, understand how things have changed. Bitcoin 1-hour chart, just real quick to kind of explain these double bottoms. Here, you had a double bottom. Some people call them W patterns, right? The double bottom did not get confirmed, did not cross this, has to cross this confirmation line, right? And it just rolled over to another double bottom. Right, this one was confirmed, broke above here, and then you got this move higher, right? And then Bitcoin went on to kind of roll over. Now here we are, double bottom again, and the question is, are you going to get this bullish follow through, right? And so again, if you do get that bullish follow through, breaks above this trend line, Bitcoin reversal ideas. So definitely pay attention to Bitcoin's price moves. Very critical to what these altcoins are doing. I'm going to go into kind of Bitcoin dominance and how that affects some of the altcoin charts, how things have changed as well. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person stated, I made 9,900% profit in 2 days. Killed it. Obviously, we've been talking for a week about this Bitcoin potential pullback. This person up, you can see profit and loss up $21,000, up 1,000%. I turned $1,000 into $101,000. Think about that. Life-changing money, period. Remember, these are brand new traders. These people have never traded before. I taught them how to trade. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetime, period. Not giving back a bunch of your profits that you've accumulated over the past year to this market. This market will take your money back, right? So in my trading group, I teach all the ideas that you need to make profits in bear markets, in bull markets, when the market's good, when the market's weak, how to manage risk, how to set stop losses. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. This is a bullish scenario that I think is possible, but Bitcoin's really got to hold like 30,000, maybe 25,000 at the lowest, right? And so the idea is we had this huge pullback back with the panic situation in March of 2020, right? Huge sell-off. And then V-shape recovery. And then, we had multi-month uptrend that started, but a lot of it was slow, sideways price action. We did get a good altcoin season right here. So the question is, did we see this huge sell-off and then market resets and then continuation higher to $200,000, $300,000 Bitcoin? So just something to think about. Again, I'm going to keep you guys updated. So make sure and subscribe to the channel. I'll keep you guys updated on this daily. There's a ton of China FUD. And for those that haven't been in the market for a while, possibly don't realize this. So I went back and I found some articles, the last few bull runs in cryptocurrency. And just to show you, it's the same thing over and over. But this mass hysteria ensues and the sheep sell based on these fears. If it's not Tether FUD's one of them too. Always something. The news comes out immediately after a lot of the price weakness and then adds it and compounds the size of the pullbacks. So this is from December 5th, 2013, Bloomberg News. China bans financial companies from Bitcoin transactions. Banning Bitcoin, China. Here we are again. This is 2017. We had a 44% pullback based on this idea. China is shutting down all of Beijing's Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exchanges. Side note is I've got a buddy in China, and he's like, dude, we're selling miners. We got a storefront set up. We can't even keep them in stock. Okay. So what the news says and what's real is sometimes different. Now, and this is the most recent news. This is just from the other day. The National Internet Finance Association of China, the China Banking Association, and Payment and Clearing Association of China reiterated their stance on banning crypto services. This is nothing new. They reiterated their stance. Okay, nothing new. Then there's this Hong Kong FUD and this other FUD, and that's just how it works. If it's not India banning, like you guys, the less that you pay attention to this news, the better you're going to trade this market. But what you have to understand is how is retail going to react to this? So and every time when you see this news, think about it. And you can counter trade retail real easy. You can take their money by understanding how they're going to react to it. They get freaked out, just like massive Bitcoin moves. That's a thing. Everybody wants to talk about all these huge tether movements. Well, that's good, but how are you going to trade that? How are you going to understand where it's going? And most of the time, it's just exchanges, kind of moving things around on their cold storage wallets, right? You get big Bitcoin moves. Another reason, if you're a whale and you want to cause some uncertainty in this market, all you got to do is move your crypto around. And that causes uncertainty. This market is very easy to manipulate. Listen, all this China FUD, 2013, 2017, now, Bitcoin ran from $70 June 2013 to $65,000 in 2021. After multiple China bans, Tether FUD, India bans, Bitcoin died 15,000 times, whatever. This does not even matter. China banning, the way Bitcoin difficulty works, as far as the mining goes, if they ban mining, okay, well, that makes it's going to make the difficulty gets adjusted, and the miners are able to create more Bitcoin because it's easier to mine Bitcoin. If China quits mining Bitcoin, that's fine. All the other miners will it'll be more profitable because it'll be easier. The difficulty level gets adjusted by the Bitcoin network. And so again, when you don't have an understanding of how this market works and how Bitcoin works, and Potentially that's, one of the reasons why you watch this channel, and I enjoy bringing you guys these updates on a daily basis. I want to thank you guys for watching. This is Bitcoin dominance, and so altcoins will bleed if this trends higher, and I want to explain to you how this works, because we've seen epic altcoin season and now a bounce, and this is trying to reverse. So altcoins will perform a lot better when this trends lower. So I mean, if this resistance were to have rejected the price action, you'd see money flowing into altcoins. Okay, so altcoin season, Bitcoin season. Now, altcoins will still do well, but only certain ones, right? It's being successful in this market is more difficult right now than it was when every single altcoin was just non-stop green, right? And so understanding and finding these outliers, that's what we're good at. You got to remember, I started my trading group 2018, bear market. Just understand, you're going to see these altcoins act differently when this is trending higher. So as an example, if we look at Bitcoin's price action here, okay, so let's say over the last 5 or 6 hours, Bitcoin's just been going sideways. Normally good for the altcoins, and then prior to that, you really had a move from about 35,000 to 38,000. So almost 8% move, right? So what would typically Bitcoin makes an 8% move to the upside? What happens to the altcoins? 15, 16%, right? They move exponentially compared to Bitcoin as far as the USDT valuations go. Look at Solana. Solana's been an extremely strong coin. And what has it done, right? Bitcoin's been moving sideways. It's been rolling over. Bitcoin was pumping or had that increase in price, and it's just been rolling over. Things are different, okay? So understanding these ideas, look at Ethereum. Bitcoin's been moving sideways. Ethereum has been rolling over. Now, it did follow Bitcoin here, right? So this looks very similar to Bitcoin. And now what Ethereum has to do, again, this possible double bottom, support needs to hold. A breakout above this level, you're looking for range high, 2,900. If this range high breaks, then, I mean, potentially you could see $3,100 or $3,200 for Ethereum. However, there are some bearish ideas on the indicators, and so keep in mind a break to the downside. You could revisit some of these levels, 2,000 potentially. There's some downside if the bulls can't show up here. This is a total altcoin market cap, and this is how I nailed that move that I was talking about here, this falling wedge, right? Because I found some bearish ideas on this chart. And so what you see is you have the entire altcoin market cap dropped tremendously. And then it was the price action was up here, and very strong resistance level. And then, so the idea of this pulling back made more sense than than altcoins breaking out here, right? And so I kind of use this idea in order to nail this move. You can make a ton of money on these pullbacks buying these oversold bounces. So make sure and use the oversold bounce buying strategy we've talked about in the past. So again, this support doesn't hold. I mean, there's potential for more downside for these altcoins. What we talked about was potentially altcoins not following Bitcoin as much. And so be aware of this idea. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.